want to address is how you can get started in GrooveFunnels with the free plan. And we want to compare their free plan to their upgraded plan. Also, at the end of the video, I'll compare their free plan on GrooveFunnels to the $97 plan on ClickFunnels. So here we go. First thing we're going to do when you get into GrooveFunnels, and this is on the free plan, you're going to click, let's say you want to build a landing page or a website. We'll go to GroovePages and click on, and then we're creating a new site. You're allowed to create 3 websites or 3 landing pages on the free plan of GroovePages. However, you can have as many pages as you want connected to each of those sites. You can also have 3 different domains. When you get into GrooveFunnels on the free plan, it will show you a lot of options here, and you want to check out each one of these options so you can learn about all of their programs and their upgrade and understand just exactly what you can do with GrooveFunnels. On the free plan, you can go ahead and set up 1, 2, or 3 websites and connect them with your domains. The domains are free to keep on GrooveFunnels. And also here it will tell you what's included in the upgrade. You can click on Learn More to find out more about it. And then here you can find out about their affiliate program. And on the affiliate program, on the free program, you can earn 20% commission, but on the paid program, on the upgrade, you can earn 40% commission. On the free plan, you can connect your own merchant service and payment service to your funnel. However, if you get the upgraded plan, you can use GroovePay, and this explains about GroovePay. Also, you can find out about Groove Ads, and you can find out about Groove Academy. Now, Groove Academy is free to everybody. The Groove Ads, you'll have to pay for that service if you want it. Groove Academy tells you everything you need to know about building the websites and working with the different programs on Groove. And you can click here to learn more about that. There are tutorials in their library which explain how to use GrooveFunnels and GrooveSell. And then there's also webinar trainings. So you just have to go through each of these, click on each one, and find out all the services available to you. There's also a Facebook group for Groove Digital that will help you with lots and lots of information. On the free program that GrooveFunnels offers you, which is number 1, GroovePages, and number 2, they give you GrooveSell. To find out about GrooveSell and how to use it, when you get to the website, you'll go ahead and click on GrooveSell. And there are plenty of videos to explain just how you would use GrooveSell. You can sell an unlimited amount of products on GrooveSell. The difference between the paid plan and the free plan is you will have to integrate with your own merchant service and your own pay platform. Let's compare what each company is offering you. GrooveFunnels is offering a free plan where you can have 3 domains and 3 websites. ClickFunnels is charging $97, and they're also offering the same thing, 3 domains and 3 websites. Now, as far as everything else, it's pretty much the same. The free plan of GrooveFunnels is like the ClickFunnels $97 plan. The difference is you're paying $97 a month for ClickFunnels and you're getting it free with GrooveFunnels. Now, as far as upgrading, with GrooveFunnels you can upgrade to the Lifetime Platinum plan and pay only one price, which right now is only $1,397. You can have unlimited websites or unlimited domains. As far as mail, they're fully integrated with an autoresponder, and they have a fully integrated payment service. Now, their mail service will go into effect in October of 2020. On ClickFunnels, if you do an upgrade, you can upgrade to the $297 a month plan. You can also have unlimited websites or unlimited domains. They are fully integrated with an autoresponder, and as far as the payment service, you would have to integrate with your own payment service. You do the math. GroovePages' free plan offers you as much as ClickFunnels' $97 plan. ClickFunnels will charge you $297, and that's times 12 for a year, which equals $3,564 for just 1 year. In contrast, GroovePages is offering you a lifetime of services for $13.97 right now, and even if they increase it back up to $18.97, it will still be an incredible deal, much, much less than ClickFunnels is charging. Please click on my link below to cash in on this incredible opportunity. You get amazing value, what to speak of getting GrooveSell as an additional bonus. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.